know what I look like right now. That is curly. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is just going to be a bit of curl in my hair, so I just thought I'd show you how I do it using a wand. I've had this for so long I don't actually know what brand this is. And I'm just going to be generally getting ready. I now have my darker foundation because, as I said in my first video, I have been sunbathing literally every moment I can, which means that my normal foundation is a bit too light for my skin at the moment, so I have just bought a new one which is a little bit darker. I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It just goes really nicely on my face, and this is shade 220 Natural Beige. Oh, and also you might have seen in my previous video that I've got some new bits from Pretty Little Thing, so I'm going to try those on as well. So the primer that I always use, again Maybelline, I quite like Maybelline, and this is the Instant Pore Eraser. This was also a bestseller on Amazon recently. I don't know about you girls, but I've barely been using any makeup. Just while we've been off, I've just really enjoyed giving my skin a break. Powder, otherwise it can make your face look a little bit shiny. Okay, so eyeliner complete. I love winged eyeliner, but I am not the best. Every day I'm trying to get a bit better at it. Tighter you want the curls, the more kind of sections you want to take, and then I just bring both sides here. You get your section and you literally just want to wrap the hair around like so, and then when you get to this part, I normally leave it on for like 20 seconds. I've missed out any sections, because when you're curling your hair this much, the last thing you want is a little straight bit right at the back, and especially if your hair is as straight as mine. Look how cute that little baby one is. If you want thicker curls, you just twist it a little bit looser than what I've done, if that kind of makes sense. Wow, I don't even know what I look like right now, but this is hilarious. If you did this early in the day and you were going out, you could obviously leave it. It would fall out during the day. You can either sort of like brush it out with your hands. Depending on your hair, you might want a bit of hairspray in. Wowza. That is curly. It is absolutely amazing what you can do with your hair with a wand. I absolutely love wands. I never ever use tongs. If I'm gonna curl it, then I curl with straighteners, but to get really curly hair, the wand all the way. Okay, so I am going to try on what I bought from Pretty Little Thing. This is a two-piece that I got. You do have to get it separately, but I just think it's really, really cute. I got mine in a size 10. I really like it. I think it's really nice for summer. It's really cute. I can't really show you, but it does go all the way down to the floor. Okay, I just thought I'd try this top on with the skirt. I absolutely love this. It's just a cute little white top. The material feels really nice. I love my crop tops, so I'm really pleased with this. Lovely. Okay, and last but not least, again, I can't really show you the bottoms, but these are just a really nice pair of tracksuit pants with a little string, and it's got Pretty Little Thing going here and all the way down. There you go. These are quite baggy, and I did get the two-piece. You could wear it separately or together, and I got mine in size 10. So if you are a 10 and you want it a little bit tighter, then go a size down, go to an 8. I really like my tracksuits quite big and baggy, so this is pretty good for me. So that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope everyone's well. I hope you're all keeping safe and staying positive. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. So if you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.